Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Leia. Nice to meet you. Today we are making vegetarian chili pasta. These are the ingredients. We have red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, mushrooms, pasta. Y'all see it all. So first I start with washing off the vegetables. We're gonna wash off the peppers first. Next, I'm washing off the onion. And finally, the mushrooms. Okay, so in this clip, y'all can see that the knife was not cutting. Like, I even went to try to sharpen the knife. Like, my knife was just too dull. So, it doesn't really cut. I'm sorry. Like, I don't even want to apologize. It's not really, like, my fault. I just grabbed, not a good knife. But I ended up switching the knife. After I finished slicing them, I began to dice them up so that they would go into the chili easier. This took a lot of time, not gonna lie. The food prep definitely took some time. So yeah, I know this is really out of frame. My fault. I almost didn't even put it in the video, but I tried to crop it as best as possible. It is what it is, It's just me dicing onions. So now I'm just dumping all of the vegetables into a pan. I don't have anything in the pan. There's no oil or anything. I just put them in the pan and they ended up cooking down, and their juices kind of like kept them from sticking to the pan. So you just want to cook the vegetables down till they're soft. I accidentally forgot to turn on the camera when I seasoned the vegetables, but I used chili powder and smoked paprika. It'll show later on, but now I'm adding the black beans into the vegetables. And I'm also adding the kidney beans. Once the vegetables started to boil, I added in the tomato sauce. Like I said, showing you guys the seasonings that I used. Now it's time to add the pasta. Y'all, please don't add as much as I added. I definitely just eyeballed it. Please don't add as much as I added because it ended up being too much. Don't add that much pasta. It's better to start with less and then add more. So because there was so much pasta, I had to add in some chicken broth to make it back wet, I guess. I don't know. The pasta soaked up all the sauce. Here's a mini Oya interlude. She was on her weird stuff again. I couldn't even tell y'all what she's doing. I don't even know. Anyway, back to the food. So now it's finally cooked down. We're adding in some Italian style blend cheese to get a little cheesy, you know what I'm saying? Nice little cheesiness to it. Oh, and yes, I also did change pots because the other pot, I didn't have a lid for it and it needed to be covered so that the noodles and all the heat could stay in there and soften everything up. So I had to switch pots. Finally, I added some cheese on top just to top it off, and that's pretty much it for the video. I will definitely have the recipe that I got, or the website that I got it from, linked down below in the description. There's me eating it. It was actually pretty good. Please let me know if you guys try it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.